Today I am cooking callaloo. Callaloo is a popular Caribbean vegetable dish. In this video I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to cook callaloo the Jamaican way. Callaloo was also loved by Bob Marley and other Rastafarians across the island. I am looking 2 bundles of callaloo to buy. Apparently I cannot get any round town, so I decide to drive, go on the highway where the guy say callaloo straight from the farm. This is how it goes. You know I'm not pretty callaloo them, man. I want the callaloo them.
You want the callaloo them?
Yeah.
You know pretty.
You don't know when they're not pretty callaloo. You know sell callaloo for years I know pretty callaloo.
Yeah.
Yeah, them in a name callaloo I know pretty
big
them.
old brandy for you.
Yeah, that me want. Go on like you have to talk like you know me I talk about, man.
Not a big starter.
Find one bongo, give me that. To cook my callaloo, I'll be using 2 bundles of callaloo. And I will be using a piece of yellow pepper, a piece of green pepper, a piece of red pepper. I have 2 different color looking onion. I have scallions, a couple stalk of scallion. I have 2 tomatoes. I have a scotch bonnet pepper and a couple okras. The okras are optional. Some people don't like okra, so you don't have to put the okra in your callaloo. I will also use, this is my saltfish. So this is like a half a pound of saltfish. I'll be using like a quarter of it. However, if you want to use the whole half a pound, nothing is wrong with that. You understand me? The saltfish I will put it to boil to extract most of the salt from it. I'll be also using a little black pepper. This is optional as well. Some people don't like black pepper. You don't have to use it. So I will add my saltfish to my pot, put water, enough water to cover over the saltfish. You don't need to really flood it. Put it on the stove to start the boiling process. This saltfish, the reason for boiling the saltfish is to extract as much salt from it. So a head start, put it on the stove to boil. Then we move on to our callaloo. For this part, for people who know how to prepare callaloo, like the stripping of callaloo and all this thing, you can skip the video down. You don't have to, but for you prepare the callaloo. This is a base with water. I gotta add some salt to this water. Reason being, callaloo is a leafy plant, and you know that worms and bugs feed on these things. So for you to get it clean and worm free and bug free, you rinse the callaloo in some salt water and you will get anything, just for sure, to get any insect or whatever on it. After do this, then you can rinse it in some fresh water again, and then your callaloo is ready to cut in small pieces. Yeah, so you gotta cut the callaloo as small as you can for better eating process, you know. So after wash the callaloo and get it clean and ensure that it's insect free, then you will cut the callaloo. Yes, so just wash it in the salt water, rinse it in fresh water. That's what you're doing here. Nothing hard. You see me, no confusion. You just ensure that it's insect free. Then you will cut this callaloo as small as you can. The finer it be, the better eating process. So yeah, that's the cutting of the callaloo. You transfer it to your container, put aside. Yeah, so that's callaloo ready to put in pot to cook. Put aside. Then you move on to the cutting of your vegetables or seasoning. So as I always say, wash them, get them clean, not hurting you to get them clean. Then this is the okra. As I said, the okra is optional. Cut them small. Some people like to use the okra big. Don't make a difference. Cut it in whatever shape or style and line. So cut all your seasoning and vegetable and put aside. Yeah, so that's the vegetable put aside. Then this is our saltfish. Come to finish boil, so we extract most of the salt from it. So you gotta clean the surface up. Get rid of all the unwanted, like the skin and so you just clean it up. After you clean it up, you gotta pick it up in smaller pieces. You don't want to shred it out too fine, but reasonable size pieces. Yeah, presentable pieces, and you know. So you just pick it up, put it aside. So you pre-setting everything. Now it's time to start the cooking process of the callaloo. So you put a little oil in a pot, just to cover the bottom. Put on stove to hot. When the oil comes to a hot, it is now time to add your seasoning. So like your scallion, tomato, all of those things, you gotta put them in at once. So hot oil, yeah, the hotter the oil, the higher the flavor. Always remember that. So you add those in. So it's like your saute, stir fry. That's what you like you're doing here. Cooking the vegetable, make it associate itself with the hot oil for high flavor. This callaloo have other way it can cook, but this is the way I'm cooking it. And next time I do a next video where you don't do it like this. You do it the next way. But this is the way we're doing today. So after you get your seasoning associated with your oil, it's now time to add your saltfish. So you see, we could use the whole half a pound of saltfish, but some people don't like a lot of saltfish, so it's optional. So you add the saltfish. Then here comes your callaloo. Yeah, so you put your callaloo. Yeah, the callaloo always intend to look bulky, but as soon as the cooking process starts, it shrink. Like a lot now, but as soon as it starts to cook, it shrink. So in this callaloo, I will add like a teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional again. Some people don't like to use black pepper. So these things are optional. So you do them if you want to or if you do not want to. So this is like a half a cup of water. The callaloo can steam. Most people steam the callaloo without water, but you have to turn the fire down low and make it sweat. You put water in it and pump up that steam. Quicker cooking process. So after cover down, you will, when the cooking process starts, you will have to, so this is the okra. This is optional. This is optional. So the okra could go in at the same time with the callaloo. If you don't want the okra, just forget about it. You know, so I'm teaching you that's optional. So you don't want to say, oh, I don't want this recipe because I have okra. You don't have to use the okra. Alright, then you will stir this callaloo. Because in every cooking process, the lower part will cook first, so then you take the lower part to the top and just stir it. The basic cooking principle. And then you just cover down back, leave to steam. This callaloo is almost done. Now you can see this callaloo is come to a complete cook. Nothing hard. However, this callaloo, I don't say anything about the cooking time because people eat callaloo on a different. It's vegetable. Some people like the vegetable crunchy. Some people like it well cooked. So what you can do, as you go along and cook, you check it and know that's alright. This is what I want it. I say no, I need to cook some more. So it's optional how you want it. Share this callaloo in a plate. This callaloo can be eaten with fried dumplings. Can eat with cooked dumplings. It can be eat with bread. It can also eat with rice. This Callaloo is universal. You can eat with anything. You can just eat it like that. So, if you think this video was interested or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If you think I could do better with this video, let me know. Tell me where I go wrong. It's always a pleasure to listen. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching.